Hey guys, what's up? Udit here, and this is day 1 of 30-day challenge. And today I'm going to share 3 legit ways to make money online. And before starting this video, I want you guys to understand that you can make millions out of internet, but it's not gonna happen overnight. You have to put the work to hit that number. And if you have hunger for it, you will hit millions also. So the first way to make money online is through blogging. Blogging is one of the best way to make money from the internet. In blogging, you have to create your own website and then publish articles on it. If you are a good writer and if you have information about any niche, you can become a very successful blogger in 2019. You can start your own company like B-Bomb, The Verge, TechCrunch and all others company out there. So if you want to know more about blogging, let me know in comment box. Alright guys, so the second way to make money online is through freelancing. Freelancing is like a job, but you're not working for one particular company. You can work for multiple peoples or multiple companies. In this, you need to have some skills: Android development, iOS development, web designing, content writing, copywriting. There are lots of skills that you can build. Find what you love and you can build that skill for free. You can learn all these skills from Google and YouTube. You just need the mindset to learn, because the more you learn, the more you earn. The third way to make money online is through YouTube. Yes guys, YouTube is one of the best way to make money in 2019. And if you are thinking it's too late, you are completely wrong. 2019 is one of the best year to start your own YouTube channel. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you in the next one.